Hello siblings, hello family, it's your sister, it's Miss Tembeleni, but you know me as Onjabula. If you're new to this channel, please grab a chair, find a room, decorate it and stay. To my homies, thank you so much for choosing me. This is home. Welcome to a new vlog, my family. I know that I was missing in action, so I basically neglected all of you, but I think I'm back. And I want to share glimpses and pieces of my 2024. If you've been here before, you know that in 2023 I was doing my second year in nature conservation, and 2024 I did my wheel year, which is work integrated learning, which I was doing at Cape Town under Cape Nature. So I'm just here to leave what I tried to record, but due to space I couldn't actually record much of my year, but you just get what transpired last year. I hope you enjoy. So here we were camping for an induction. When we got there, I think week 2 or just the first week of our stay, we went for an induction, and here I was just tidying up my tent.
Would you pray on my weakness, satisfying you and I keep bleeding? I don't know why I got the innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get you out, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's something else we take. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm not all the time. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Don't misbehave. You must have known me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down, better, make me lose my mind, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. Wanna let you go, but it's like something else beside. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm on all the time. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You got me feeling cool, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through, something just ain't right by you. Yeah. Can I do you like I, you like I, can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches, we tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches.
Hi siblings. It's not the last, but we are going back to our respective accommodations from the camp, and I woke up with period pains. I'm not copying, but I'll be fine.
We tried too many ones, you like I wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night, telling me lies, maybe stop telling.
Homies, look at my eyelid. Yini. I feel like this will scenes and stuff. I wanna drink allergy expert. I feel like it's on drug, so I'm gonna drink it when I get drinking. Another thing, my skin took it sharp 10. Bengasiso mangifika mina la. But manje, oh, angikho right.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already out to make me feel right. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, let's babe. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Are you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Show me something. You be more than one thing. I be more than less than I do. Say you're the guy, baby, believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind. It feels so nice. I can't help got the sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, listen, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here on earth, but I'm not waiting, not wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, listen, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet take a look.
Just opened my what's this? This a light, whatever you want to call it, only to find out there's water inside, and I do not know. Can you say the sengisulile God? I do not know what's kanjan. And here, what's happening la? I don't know if it's rusting or what, because lama page they didn't even last me for a month, so I was planning to change them. But saying it, I'm seeing all these things inside, and I really don't know what happened. But okay, I gotta change them. I hope it doesn't mess up. You see the watery thing? I hope it doesn't mess up the thing. So basically now I'm trying to dry it out to see if it can dry up so that I can insert the new ones.